Welcome friends to BSF Spice Costing Calculator app. BSF Spices, a company involved in manufacturing of spices and exporting the spices to Americas and Middle East, had a peculiar problem of calculating their pricing list because of the varying input costs. So this app actually helped them to enter their input cost in real time and publish their selling price list for their team sitting in Hyderabad to manage their billing and invoicing on real-time basis. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.